Sir, very happy morning to all, happy afternoon to all, and happy evening to all, my dear lovable students. Sir, if you are targeting the coming May examination, after May, coming September examination, and Jan 2027, and if you wish to join ANM Virtuals, sir, எனக்கு ANM Virtuals பத்தின details தெரியணும்னா, this is the launch video from our side regarding the ANM Virtuals for May, September and Jan 27 examination, my dear lovable students. இப்போ, just now, there are so many students have completed group number 1 and group 2 examinations are going on. But many students are inquiring about the details to the admin. Admin is asking to me that, sir, could you please explain that in detail, because many students want to know so many details about the group 1 and group 2. Since from tomorrow onwards we are having Pongal, my dear lovable students, we are launching May 26, September 26, Jan 27 examination with 20% offer for all the classes at ANM Virtuals. Okay, come on. Let me start explaining one by one. Sir, group 1 classes are available, group 2 classes are available. Group 1 classes, yaar sir handle pandra? Advanced accounting, DT and IDT in English Tamil mix I am handling. Sir, what is the hours for the advanced accounting? Approximately 120 to 125 hours is the class hours. And for direct tax, 100 hours pakka will be coming, man. And IDT also 80 hours will be coming. Sir, idile eppadi sir ipo na class vaangna inime dhaan class record பண்ணனுமா இல்ல already classes எல்லாம் recorded இருக்கா? It depends upon subject. நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணா explain பண்றேன். Advanced accounting for the May examination, 80% of the classes has been fully recorded and uploaded in the app. Remaining 20% we are in the process of uploading. அது ஆக்சுவலாக லாஸ்ட் பேட்ச்ல எடுத்த மிஸ் ஆன போர்ஷன்ஸ், இல்லை நாங்கள் அதை இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்ன போர்ஷன்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் 20% சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ தட் வில் பி அப்லோடட் பை மேக்ஸ் டு மேக்ஸ் வித்தின் 30 days from today. So you'll be having sufficient content to see from advanced accounting. Corporate and other law is handled by Jayashree ma'am. Jayashree ma'am's law class will run for 80 hours. Full fresh recordings are available. Relevant recordings are available for you. And DT, you know, always for May exam, we have to change 100%. Advanced accountancy madri kadayadu. Sir, already salary house property has been fully completed and uploaded. We are in the process of doing PGBP on a progressive basis, daily 1.5 hours, because we are having face-to-face class. Adile nanga class edutittu irukom. The same class is getting recorded. So automatically that will complete the record. Sir, எப்போ சார் அதை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுவீங்க? மேக்ஸ் டு மேக்ஸ் March 31st. April 30 days you will be having sufficient time to revise. DT, my dear lovable students, that's what the status of group 1 is all about. Coming to group 2, costing and management accounting is handled by myself, FM is handled by myself, and audit and ethics we are having 2 teachers. One is Jayashree ma'am and other is Nivetha ma'am. My dear lovable students, SM will be handled by Jayashree ma'am. What are the hours, sir? For costing, 120 hours are there. Audit and ethics, sir, 100 hours are there, including workout extra, sir, 10-20 hours will be for the workbook discussion. EFM, my classes, 80 hours are there, and SM, 20-25 hours are there. For cost and management accounting, full recording is completed, my dear lovable students. Auditing, Nivetha ma'am's class, 100% ready. Jayashree ma'am's class, we are uploading on a daily progressive basis. Daily we are taking class at face-to-face. That class we are recording and we are uploading on a daily basis. FM, 100% recording completed and uploaded. SM, 100% recording completed and uploaded. That means audit, already 2 to 3 chapters are over. By the time when you complete audit, sir, we will be completing the balance all the chapters. This is what the faculty details and the HAS details. More or less 380 HAS will be coming for the group 1 and 320 hours will be coming for group 2. Sir, what about the books, sir? Books you have to separately purchase. For group number 1, this is how we are dealing the books. For advanced accounting, one subject, we are having 7 books. 7 books are, sir. Sir, 5 compilers will be there because our books consist of answer writing format also. Question இருக்கும், அதுக்கு கீழேயே ஆன்சர் எழுதுறதுக்கான எல்லா ஒர்க்கிங்கும் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால that will take lot of space. இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து நோட்புக்கில் அந்த ஆன்சர் எழுதுறதுக்கு பதிலாக ப்ரீடிட்டர்மைன்ட் பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் ஃபார்மேட் எல்லாமே இருக்கும், நம்ம கையில் எழுதி ஃபில் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அண்ட் 2 ஒர்க் புக்ஸ் வில் பி ப்ரொவைடட். 1 ஒர்க் புக் ஆஃப் RTP, MTP past examination questions that is already ready. For the May, we are going to come up with MCQ and case scenario separate book. That book in the process of making. Our team is doing that. Within 30 days, we'll be launching that. All the remaining 6 books are ready for the advanced accounting. Sir, whether it is available for purchase, we'll be launching one by one. Ninga first module paathu mudikkiradhukkulla next module will be launched. And it will be available for purchases one by one. Corporate and other law, the compiler, concept compiler is already ready and workbooks are already ready. Totally 3 books will be provided, man. And this concept compiler are Jayashree ma'am's handwritten notes. DT, 3 modules, concept compiler, 2 books of workbook. One is RTP, MTP, and other is the case scenarios and the MCQ part for you. So totally 5 books are for DT and 3 books for IDT and 2 books of workbook of again 5 books. Totally 20 books we are providing for group number 1. The only reason why we are having this much books for one particular group is our, sir, book consists of the answer format. If it's available, I will show you, my dear lovable students, how our books will be, sir. This is the sample of the advanced accounting. For example, this much in detail books will be there. For example, if this one question, if you take from cash flow statement, this you take, test yourself. Following is the balance sheet of Fox Limited question. This is the ICAI study material question. We have to prepare the cash flow statement using the indirect method. That means that question will be there, notes will be properly aligned, and there to write the answer will be having sufficient space. And I will be solving each and every one along with you. So when you are having the hard copy, you can write it. Otherwise, if you want only the question, I will be giving you the PDF. That is the reason why this much number of books coming. We trust that we need, because you are going to study one group or another group by spending 3 months of time. It will be very, very easily, sir, manageable. With regard to group 2, costing and management accounting, 5 books, compilers, 2 concept book, 7 books. Audit and ethics 1 and 2 totally 3, FM 3 and 2 totally 5, and SM 1 and 1 totally 2. There are 17 books are available for group 2, my dear lovable students. You will be having a doubt, sir. If we subscribe the classes of ANM Virtuals, what are the features you are having? My dear lovable students, be frank, these are the features available as of now. We are having one WhatsApp group, my dear lovable students. We will be sending you one link. In that link, whatever revisions we are doing, we'll be posting there. ஏதாவது கிளாஸ் நம்ம பர்டிகுலராக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் உங்களை இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவோம். எனி பர்டிகுலர் டவுட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர், யூ கேன் சென்ட் அ மெசேஜ் இன் தட் வாட்ஸ்அப் சேயிங் தட், சார், ஐ எம் ஹேவிங் அ டவுட், தட் டவுட் ஹாஸ் பீன் சென்ட் டு யூ, ப்ளீஸ் கிளியர் த டவுட்ஸ். ரைட். And we are providing test series also, part-wise test series. In that, what is part-wise, I will explain to you. That is optional. If you want, you can additionally subscribe. Otherwise, if you are subscribing the full group, one mock exam, 100-mark mock exam with evaluation from us will be provided free of cost. That will be 100 marks. Sir, then is there any other specialty, sir? Yes, sir. We have classified each and subject into, every subject into 5 parts called as ANMCA. NSR magic of ANMCA we will be doing, and we will be providing pakka schedule for success. The main problem with the, sir, online recorded classes is, sir, I'm not able to complete on time. We will track that completion through WhatsApp group, through the success schedule. Okay, let me talk about that. For example, my dear lovable students, ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டோட ஏஎன்எம்சிஏ எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகும்னு உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க அக்கவுண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, அட்வான்ஸ்ட் அக்கவுண்டிங் எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, பார்ட் ஏ தட் மீன்ஸ் ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டை நாங்க 5ஆ பிரிச்சிருக்கோம். ஒரு பார்ட்டுங்கிறது 20%, மை டியர் லவபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஷெட்யூல் 3, கேஷ் ஃப்ளோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட், சார் AS1, AS4, AS5, AS24, AS25. நீங்க அட்வான்ஸ்ட் அக்கௌண்டன்சில ஃபோல்டர்ல பார்த்தாலுமே இப்படிதான் உங்களுக்கு ஃபோல்டர்ஸே இருக்கும். யூல் பி ஹேவிங் 5 folders ANMCA. Like that, the entire advanced accountancy has been classified into 5 parts. The same way, corporate and other law, you look at part A, preliminary incorporation and prospectus. Part N, share capital and debenture deposit and charges. With regard to direct taxman, part A, 2 heads of income, salary and house property. Part N, profits and gains of business or profession. Then indirect taxes, part A, the basics of the GST, supply, tax rate for composite and mixed supply, levy and collection of CGST, composition levy and exemption. You know, section 11 exemption, we are giving that much importance. That means you will be able to score very good mark in exam. This is the total classification of the ANMCA for the each and every subject. If you want, this PDF will be available for you. Sir, இதோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு 2 minutes டைம் கொடுங்க, நான் சொல்றேன். This is how we have split the cost and management accounting. Cost sheet, cost accounting system, process costing is part A. Joint product by product, material and labor is part N. The same way, Jayashree ma'am has classified the auditing and ethics for part ANMCA. Nature and objective and scope of audit, ethics, audit planning, government audit, NGO, local body. That means instead of studying various types of entity at the end as one chapter, we have classified every entity into 5 parts. So each and every partல ஒரு 2-3 entity நம்ம படிக்கும்போது நமக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருக்குமான்னு கேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருக்காது. The same way with regard to FM, the basic 2 analysis in the first part, then cost of capital, and we'll be moving like that. And strategic management, I believe that you would have got a wonderful and a fantastic idea. Sir, now I am completing my Jan examination. I'm going to write my, sir, after Jan, Feb, March, April, then May is my examination. With this 3 months of time, how I will be able to complete will be the question. My dear lovable students, this is a pakka 90 days program. In that 90 days is not needed to complete, including revision. 90 days is the schedule. எப்படி தெரியுமா நம்ம படிக்கணும்? இப்போ நீங்க group 1 join பண்றீங்கன்னா, we ANM classes for virtuals are following 10 weeks timetable. என்ன சார் அந்த 10 weeks timetable na? First 5 weeks நீங்க advanced accountingum IDTயும் மட்டும்தான் படிப்பீங்க group number 1ல. Advanced accountancyல week number 1ல part A of advanced accountingum, IDTல part A of IDTயும் complete பண்ணிடுவீங்க. Week number 2ல part N of advanced accountingum, part N of IDTயும் complete பண்ணிடுவீங்க. Week number 3ல part M of advanced accountingum, part M of IDTயும் complete பண்ணிடுவீங்க. Week number 4ல part C of advanced accountingum, part C of IDTயும் complete பண்ணிடுவீங்க. Week number 5ல சார் part A of advanced accountingum, part A of IDTயும் complete பண்ணிடுவீங்க. That means by 5 weeks, 5 weeks means 5 into 7. My dear lovable students, you can also calculate along with me. 7 days are there in a week. I am asking you to spend 5 weeks. That means 35 days you will be completing 2 papers properly in one group. That means இப்ப காலையில நீங்க ஒரு 8 o'clock படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சீங்கன்னா 8 to 1 o'clock you have to study the advanced accounting. Then sir 2 o'clock to sir night 7 o'clock you have to be with IDT. Only 2 subjects proper 35 days, including break, including revision, including sir உங்களோட repeated assignments, that all will be provided in the WhatsApp group. Fantastic to the core. The next 2 weeks we will be studying corporate and other law and DT. So anyway DT daily upload is there. So still 30-40 days are there you to touch the DT. Advanced accounting already done. IDT already done. You can proceed with those things. My dear lovable students, sir, week number 6, part A of corporate and other law and DT will be completing. Week number 7, part N of law and DT will be completing. Sir, M, week number 8, part M will be completing. Then part C and part A. When you do law and DT, you can happily revise advanced accounting and GST part by doing RTP, MTP. For that proper schedule will be providing. And my dear lovable students, sir, you can follow the 10 weeks. நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க, we are 1 week comprised of 7 days. That means 10 weeks means 70 days are more than sufficient if you are so committed to clear in this May examination. So if you are start by the mid of Jan after your exams, or now if you are going to 70 days plus nearly 20-25 days we will be having, including exam days, 30 days are there for your revision, then why will not be able to make this May? It is very much possible since the classes are pre-recorded, since everything will be available in your footstep with proper guidance and with proper timetable. That is very much possible. Sir, I am a group 2 student, sir, my dear lovable students. Then the same strategy. First 5 weeks will be focusing on costing and strategic management. That means 150 marks will be completing, my dear lovable students. Week number 1, only part A of the costing plus part A of the SM. Week number 2, part N of the costing and part N of the SM. Week number M, sir, week number 3, part number M, part M of costing and SM. Week number 4, part C of costing and SM. And week number 5, the final part, week number 5, final part, that is last part A of costing and SM. That's it. By 5 weeks, you will be able to pakka complete 150 marks, including the classes. We are not asking you to spend 8 to 10 hours in video lectures. Max to max daily, 5 to 6 hours only will be there for your lectures. Remaining 3 to 4 hours, you can sit and practice for that. Daily schedules will be given for your assignments. So the next 5 weeks, my dear lovable students, you can focus in the audit and FM, because costing big paper, SM small paper, audit big paper, we are mixing with another problem paper FM. In that part A of the audit, part N of the audit, part M of the audit and FM, and part C of the audit and FM, and the last one, man, part sir, last A. That's how we are going to complete. The same will be applicable by spending 35 days. Sir, you will be completing costing plus the another paper SM. By spending another 35 days, you will be completing audit plus the other subject FM. Since you are studying audit in the second part, automatically memory will also be more. Since the costing is a exit route for group 2, once you already studied by spending 35 days, in the next 35 days, we can do lot of questions and we can get the grip. And part number 3 is the last 25 days, 30 days. If you are G2 sufficient, 30 days will be there. Your revision plan plus mock test, that will save you any attempt, my dear lovable students. You can happily enroll for our classes and you can start your preparations. And what is the fee structure, sir? The classes are available. Any classes, any subject, individual subject, combos, group combos, starting from 60 days, because we are not believing 30 days our classes can be completed. We are not, sir, we don't want to, sir, just by selling 30 days. So we have converted from 30 to 60 days, which is at the most affordable price, my dear lovable students. If you are taking single group, whether it is G1 or G2, without part-wise test, after every completion of part-wise, you will be having, sir, at 4720, and with part-wise test 6490. This is the investment you are supposed to make to subscribe G1 or G2. If you are subscribing for both the groups without part-wise, 7080 and 10,620, and you are having at 90 days, 150 days, 270 days, my dear lovable students, if you are going to write in May, then 90 days will be the ideal plan for you. You can subscribe either with or without part-wise. We recommend to adopt with test series. Then your preparations will automatically taken care if it is single group in this prices, which is already at the most affordable prices at our platform. You can cross check at any platform before you can buy. I don't have any problem. On that, because of the Pongal, we are giving 20% off for the next 5 days if you are subscribing to our classes. This is a launch offer. In every batch, we used to give that for the students. The logic is very simple. If we are able to get a 500 students at one stretch, for example, everyone took admission in next 5 days, it's very easy for us to guide them, because entire 500 students will be in one group at the same time. Entire 500 students will start at the same time. Otherwise, no, after 1 week, one student will buy, they will be searching that what I have to follow, what sir is doing, what I have to do the assignment, confusions will be creating. How face-to-face class is starting exactly the same way. We just want to do the virtuals also. I really want to thank the last batch students, because last batch was our more or less the first batch. This is like ANM Virtuals 2.0. We have improved a lot with regard to the quality of the classes, with the recording, subject coverage, everything. And we are supporting till the examination through the YouTube revisions and the other things also. We'll be continuing to do the same, and we are planning even more and more. Kandipalya, when time goes and when we understand something, sir, when we grow, we will learn a lot. Even we are also improving ourselves. To increase or improve the quality that we want to do, it will be better and better than the last batch. And when coming batches, one by one batch, we are working on it for our betterment. So those who want to join and travel with us, I think this is the right time to, sir, hold our hands. Within next 5 days, you complete your admissions, my dear lovable students. Then for those who are taking, we will be coming in, sir, weekly meetings and all. We will guide you. We will make you pass this time. Kandipa solra, May is the right attempt for you. And if you are going to write in September, my dear lovable students, instead of taking 90 days class, you can take for 150 days or 270 days. And any update we are doing in the classes, if you are subscribing for 150 and 270, those updations will be absolutely free for you without any cost till you are writing your exam. Because if you are subscribing for 150 and 270, in between, if you add any additional questions, if you are doing any workouts, that and all will be absolutely free for you. I hope that I have cleared each and every doubts of you. If you are having still any doubt, you can call me, sir. You can WhatsApp me, sir, 960-500-1043, or in the official number of ANM classes, which is, sir, 9500810008. Admin will be answering to your WhatsApp messages. So we are going to be guide you, make you pass. Why are you waiting, man? Just go and subscribe the classes. The offer will be available from tomorrow morning onwards. I'm wishing you all the very best for each and everyone. And I just want to wish you happy Pongal to the entire Tamil Nadu and all the Tamil people who are all over the world. Take care of yourself, especially your health. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.